Have you ever wondered if your website could be performing better, loading faster, or converting more visitors if it just had some regular TLC? Hi, I'm Judd. Welcome back to Local Marketing Insights with Local Leap. Website maintenance may not be the flashiest topic, but it's a crucial part of any successful online presence. When done right, regular maintenance keeps your site running smoothly, securely, and ready to convert and engage visitors. So what are the advantages of outsourcing these website maintenance tasks rather than trying to tackle them in-house? Stick around to the end for the full story. First, let's cover the basics of website maintenance. What does it actually entail on a day-to-day basis? At its core, maintenance involves monitoring your website, updating content as needed, catching any issues before they turn into problems, updating code, plugins, security certificates, and more. Staying on top of these tasks ensures optimal performance, security, and user experience. Without maintenance, sites get slow, become prone to attack, and stop converting or retaining visitors. But consistent maintenance takes time, technical skills, and resources that a lot of businesses just don't have in-house. Some common pitfalls of managing web maintenance internally include allowing maintenance to lapse for long periods, lacking expertise in languages like PHP or JavaScript, not monitoring or testing sites regularly for issues, reacting to problems instead of proactively preventing them. This is where the advantages of outsourcing maintenance come in. One of the biggest perks is cost effectiveness. When tallying up the wages of developers, admin time, testing tools, and other expenses, outsourced services often win out in terms of overall cost. Service providers also have access to efficiencies and infrastructures that would be costly for any single company to build out. Outsourcing also unlocks on-demand expertise, advanced programming skills, security knowledge, and experience with the latest CMS platforms and trends are readily available. Having around-the-clock access to these specialized resources can hugely benefit businesses without big technical teams. Freeing up your staff from maintenance duties saves time too. When you can email a web designer the updates that need to be made to your pages rather than pulling a member of your in-house team off another important task, your team can now devote their energy entirely to core business activities and not be bogged down with site testing, updates, and monitoring. For WordPress sites especially, off-site automated backups are a major benefit of outsourced maintenance that protects against data loss and downtime. Manual on-site backups are time-intensive and often neglected. A proactive maintenance partner will ensure regular backups are created and stored at secure off-site locations. This offers crucial protection if your site is ever corrupted, hacked, or fails in some other way. Having reliable off-site backups makes restoring and recovering your site a breeze. Speaking of security, outsourcing really shines when it comes to implementing proactive updates for WordPress core software, all of your plugins, themes, and extensions. This tedious process is key to staying ahead of vulnerabilities. Just one outdated plugin can leave your site open to attack. An experienced maintenance provider will scan for updates across all of your site's components and quickly patch security flaws before hackers can exploit them. Up-to-date software is your first line of defense. Don't just take my word for it though. There are a ton of real-life examples of companies rescued from disaster thanks to outsourced security updates and off-site backups catching issues before they brought the site down for good. No one likes to think about worst-case scenarios, but they can happen to any site connected to the internet. Having a maintenance safety net in place makes all the difference. Outsourcing your maintenance also opens the door for some other benefits. The ability to scale up coverage as your online presence grows. 24/7 support for any urgent issues. Detailed reporting on completed maintenance tasks and your site's ongoing health. Of course, you can't just pick any provider and expect exceptional service. Choosing the right partner is critical. Look for companies with technical expertise in your platform, experience successfully managing sites similar to yours, and a track record of reliable support. Clearly outline your needs and service expectations in your initial agreements. And to make sure your arrangement is positive, you need ongoing communication, reasonable response times, and meeting service level agreements. I hope this gives you a clear picture of the major upsides of outsourced web maintenance services. Having a partner to handle backups, security updates, monitoring, and optimizations can be a great investment for your online presence. It not only saves time and headaches, but more importantly, protects and improves your website for the long haul. If you're looking to learn more about outsourcing options or get a free quote for your site, you can drop us a comment or visit us at localleap.com. That link will also be in the description. You can help us out by liking this video and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on some great local marketing content. I'll see you next time on Local Marketing Insights with Local Leap.